My name is Estetura Shikodai, and I'm the Program Coordinator for Business International Business.
Hi, I'm Diana Deegan. I am a professor in the School of Business at Conestoga College.
Hello everyone, my name is David Allison and I'm a coordinator here in the School of Applied Computer Science and Information Technology at Conestoga.
So there's so many new challenges coming for you, and I want you to know that you need to take it with enthusiasm and a positive outlook, and that you will do well. You will be challenged, but you can do this.
Please reach out at any point of time that you feel you're struggling or you need help. We have a wonderful team of people who are always there to support you in every possible capacity. All you have to do is to write an email and reach out to us.
There's lots of things you can take advantage of here at the college. Lots of supports for international students in particular. We have advisors that can help you with any sort of visas or permit that you need, as well as transition coordinators that help you transition to the country. So lots of supports that I really encourage you to reach out for. They're here to help you, and we'll all work together to make sure you have a really successful time here at the college.
It is such a pleasure to have you joining us all here, and I hope that I will get to see many of you.
We'd like to welcome everybody to Conestoga and to Canada, and hope you have a great semester.
Welcome to Conestoga College and happy learning journey.